have a cross-section of a Z mace or corn stem, which is a monocot. Now here, we're looking again at the epidermis, the outer edge, and the cortex is all throughout. Then we have these fibrovascular bundles containing the xylem, the phloem, and some air spaces. This is at 40 times magnification, so go ahead, take a sketch of that. You can pause it and label your parts. You'll notice there is no pied section in the center of the stem. Now the fibrovascular bundles are kind of grouped towards the edge, but they are spread throughout it. Now I'm going to switch it to 100 magnification and bring that back into view for you. And you can take a real close look at those fibrovascular bundles. Let's get a nice one there. Go sketch that, and you can see you've got some air spaces, some xylem, and some phloem. This is your fibrovascular or vascular tissue, the fibrovascular bundle with vascular tissue in it in the cross-section of the stem of the plant, bringing nutrients up from the soil and also helping transport products that the plant makes to different parts of the plant.